We're here at LSPEB Nursery and Primary School today, and we're so excited for giving back to the school. You know, Winston Churchill once said, "You make a living by what you get, but you make a life by what you give." So we're so excited to be here today to rehabilitate this school. The last time we were here, the toilets was very bad condition. There are whiteboards, and then we've rehabilitated every other thing. We've painted the schools. We're so excited to be here today. It was a very eventful day, and we hope to do more for this school and even other schools and other aspects of the society.
It's been a successful day. I would like to thank the entire team of Reliance Infosystems. They have been very supportive on this project. I would like to extend our thanks to the Microsoft team, their leadership, and every other member that have supported this project. The children have felt their presence, the head teachers and his team, they are also very happy for this intervention.
It's been fun learning with the kids. It's been a really awesome day. Seeing the enthusiasm from the kids, the appreciation to have people come into the environment to share and to learn from people. To be able to do this with my team and our partners, Reliance, has been awesome.
I'd like to thank Reliance Information Systems for assisting Microsoft and partnering with us to bring this very lofty initiative to this school. They've done what other organizations should do, which is empower these kids by coming together with Microsoft to create an enabling environment.
Our partnership with Microsoft Nigeria has been very instrumental and very successful, both on the business front and in the social impact front. And we're not just stopping there. We're also going to collaborate with them to do other CSR activity. We'll probably be looking at, beyond education, we'll be looking at other community to provide them with infrastructure and amenity. Beyond this business side of things, this collaboration has helped us to deepen our relationship with Microsoft. We have interacted with them and we have really gained mutual understanding on the new frontiers where we're going to be impacting going forward, and we should expect much bigger things to happen in the future.